BORGES is an innovative training network program. This means that the focus of this project is on the training part. Organic bioelectronics is a highly interdisciplinary field, and for this reason we had to gather together experts from different areas.
From physics to electronics, weather or engineering.
For us it was very easy to travel and to open collaboration and also exchanging ideas and experience.
To visit different work environments.
We also did lots of public related science communication.
Met so many people and build up such a great network.
We exposed to different international research institutes and we get great feedback.
These travels are named secondments, which are periods that these researchers spend at another institution, as much as possible maximizing exposure to different sectors.
It was great to learn from other institutions, go away from what you know and kind of get exposed to other
people and habits.
From different background, different set of mind.
Cultures, different labs, different working conditions.
And we have to understand each other. We have to find a way to cooperate.
I think this is very important when you are doing a scientific career because we are not always in one specific place. We have to be able to have an open mind, critical mind, and this has added this value to me.
So that's very special, and I really liked this about the ITM program.
And of course I made a lot of good friends along the way.
The main characters of BORGES are the 15 early stage researchers.
Being a part of Marie Curie is a big honor, but it's also a huge responsibility.
And ATN is well valued in the scientific communities.
The BORGES project lasted for 4 years, from the beginning of 2019 to the end of 2022.
Comparing myself 2 or 3 years ago to where I am now, I can see that I have grown a lot and I have learned a lot of things and gained a lot of experience.
You have to create the product, you have to test it, so you have to communicate and network a lot. And that is of course the challenge for the young researchers, for the young or future project managers.
In the lab, I see that my colleagues, they are using the thing that I create within BORGES.
We're able to learn this skill faster than maybe just stay in the market for 10 years learning or traveling. It was a very condensed skills that we gained them in a short period.
I was recently hired, for example, in a multinational company in the Netherlands, and one of the most important parts of the interview was my broad skill.
So we hope that we were successful in training these early stage researchers in order to make them the next innovators in the field of biosensing with organic electronics, which is a field with a high economic and social impact.
The most important result we have achieved in the past years, I would say, is that we could combine a simultaneous optical readout with a field effect transistor.
We are able to visualize that how different devices that we use for biosensing works at a very nanoscale level.
We can measure the probability of a certain reaction to be happens at this scale. This is, I think, will open the window for a lot of application in the future.
We are trying to find solutions about materials and fabrication to have devices that can be really feasible put in the market.
Developing biosensors for multiple sclerosis, I think it will be very relevant for patients.
Today, everyone knows about biosensors like the test of COVID.
When everyone started using or learning about this fast test or point-of-care devices, and that's what we were exactly doing.
Hopefully, we can contribute in the development of more robust and reliable biosensors, and this eventually hopefully has also a very positive impact on society.
I think I would like to continue my career in a research-based area.
I would like to work and continue with what I'm doing now.
To use the knowledge that I gained in organic electronics and apply it more towards the biological field.
I already signed a contract to continue my career in research.
To be honest, I'm not certain about what my next step is going to be. I have to still finish the PhD program.
I'm first finishing my PhD and then I want to stay in research.
I would see myself in a workplace where industry meets academia.
Since I'm coming from a different background, I am a biochemist, and I have acquired this new knowledge in organic electronics. I would like to merge both knowledges.
At the moment, I'm not really sure where I'm going to be, but I think it's going to be a great journey ahead because of the experience I gain in BORGES.
So in the next year, I see myself in the research and development of a multinational company, hoping that I will be able to bring there what I learned during these 4 years in BORGES.
I need to pursue an industry, but also I need to be still research-oriented, but always do something relevant to the folks. So this is my goal.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.